In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Looker Studio charts. Understanding how to properly display your data in charts can significantly enhance your reports and make the data more insightful. Whether you're dealing with bar charts, line charts, pie charts, or table charts, adding dimensions and metrics correctly is crucial. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into Looker Studio. Once you're in your report, locate the chart you want to modify. For most chart types, such as bar charts and line charts, begin by clicking on the chart itself. This will select the chart and reveal its options in the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. You'll notice the Properties panel is divided into two main tabs, Setup and Style. If you aim to add more data to your chart, you should focus on the Setup tab. To add more categories or dimensions, simply drag and drop fields from the Data panel, which you'll find on the left, into the Dimension or Breakdown Dimensions section in the Setup tab. This will allow you to group your data in new and meaningful ways. For adding new numerical values or metrics, it's just as simple. Drag the desired fields right into the metrics section within the same tab. Now, if you're working with table charts, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. These charts allow you to display data in a neat tabular format, making it easy to compare values across different columns. Again, start by clicking on the table chart to select it. Navigate to the Setup tab in the Properties panel. Here, drag fields from the Data panel into either the Dimension or Metric sections. This action will populate your table with new columns displaying the added data. You can also rearrange the columns by dragging and dropping the fields within the sections, allowing for a customized view that best matches your reporting needs. When it comes to column charts, you might find yourself needing to adjust the number of visible columns or bars. For example, if you want to display all months in a year, you might need to alter a specific setting. Select your column chart and head over to the Style tab in the Properties panel. In the Bars section, there's an option to adjust how many bars are visible. Increase this number based on the time granularity you need, such as setting it to 12 for months or 52 for weeks, ensuring all your data is accurately represented. By following these instructions, you can expertly tailor your charts to better convey the story your data is telling. Experiment with different configurations and see how they can bring new insights out of your information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in enhancing your Looker Studio charts.